Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and set up Gmail forwarding? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and search for gmail.com. Once you've done that, make sure that you are logged in into your Gmail that you want to forward mails from. And now what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on this gear icon on the top right hand side of your screen. So this is going to be settings. Now go ahead and click on see all settings, and if you look at it, there's going to be a lot of tabs, for example general, label, inbox, and so on. So what you want to click on is going to be the fifth one, which is going to be a forwarding and POPIMAP. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on add a forwarding address and simply go ahead and enter the email that you want to forward to and click on next, and it's going to go ahead and ask you to log in into that email as well, as you can see. And finally, once you go ahead and log in into the email by verifying this code right over here, what it's going to do is it's simply going to go ahead and forward all the mails that are going to be coming through to this account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.